What is up? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Phil, also known as the King of Thrift. I know it's been a while, but I am still kicking and alive, and this COVID has not taken me out. Hopefully all of you out there are doing well and staying safe. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be teaching how to make big money reselling, or I'm not going to be going over the top 10 brands of this and that. Now, the only reason I'm doing this, guys, is because I've gotten so many requests. And also, as I thought about it, because I hate to brag or boast in any way, and that is not the purpose of this video. But what I do intend on doing with this video is hopefully inspiring those of you who are just getting started, and even some of you who have been doing this more than 15 minutes. Hopefully, maybe you can get inspired. And if you are struggling, or if you're getting discouraged in any way, then maybe this will show you what is possible, and to not lose hope and don't give up. Because if you keep on pushing, guys, you will achieve your dreams. If this is your first time to my channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? If you want to learn to be a full-time reseller, if you want to learn how to resell on multiple platforms, how to make a full-time income and to keep a full-time income, then you are in the right spot. That is all I teach here, guys. I have been reselling full-time online for over 15 years. You are talking to a seasoned veteran in this game. If you sign up and you check out all my past videos, I can promise you that you're gonna be well on your way to becoming a full-time reseller in no time. If you are serious about reselling and you want to kick your reselling into high gear, guys, then shoot on over to thekingofthrift.com, thekingofthrift.com, and download How to Crush It Reselling Online with No Experience. That's right, guys, with no experience. In this book, I've covered from A to Z everything you're gonna need to know to get started and to crush it. So shoot on over to thekingofthrift.com and pick that up. So with that out of the way, guys, let's get right into the video.